Let's try and clean steering wheel, vehicle steering wheel with Autoglym interior shampoo. I'm going to spray a bit onto the brush. I'm going to work it in. Now I'm going to give it a wipe. Now I'm going to take the tape off. Let that dry off a moment. There we go. You can see the difference. So that was using Autoglym interior shampoo just to clean the steering wheel, using a soft detailing brush and then wiping it dry with a microfiber. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Please take a look around at the other uploads. See you in the next one. Ta-ra for now.